actually at our room door. We're going to give a room tour and just know that we have lived so it is a mess. So just keep that in mind. I know I'm not ashamed of it, don't care, but we in room 126. Let me show you up on the wall, 126. We're on the first floor. The first thing coming into the room, of course, you have a small hallway leading into the actual room itself. The main thing I would say about this room, I didn't realize, of course, we normally stay like on the second or third, they're like different floors, and not this close to the front desk. It's the first time I've ever stayed close to the front desk. And you hear all the noises, all the folks talking, all the stuff going on. That I will never do again. I would ask for a different room because I had no idea until last night. You hear everything going on in the hallway, people checking in, people checking out, and did not know. I know that now, but like I said, that's all right. But just keep that in mind when you're trying to get a hotel room. Unless that's the only one they got left, don't get it close to the front desk because the front desk is right outside of our, well, maybe like, I don't know, 20 paces down the hall. It's not that far from our room. So keep that in mind when you get your hotel room too. So coming into the room, like I said, everything is powered by our room card. So in order for our room to stay lit, we have to put our room card in there in this little slot. Because like I said, insert card for power. So otherwise, the light's going to go off. I'll put it that way. And then we have our yawn, not just yet, to do not disturb. And of course, it's like a little sign on the door that says the law protects hotel housekeepers and other employees from threat of assault or harassment. And then of course, in case of fire or an emergency, we have our exit information on the door too. So let's turn back around for y'all. So we going on into the room. Like I said, the only other thing that I realized, hey y'all, the only other thing, and it has a full length mirror too, y'all. My cute little house shoes. The full length mirror too. And it has some hooks to hang your stuff on. That's my little dirty clothes laundry bag, my little purse, my sweater. Like I said, it has a table over here for coffee. It has coffee and tea and that kind of thing up there too. The ice bucket, but I've been using my cup. And of course our chargers and all that kind of stuff up here. And it has a mini fridge. There is no, let me open up the little fridge. There's nothing in there. We have to go get some waters and stuff. But there's a small ironing board, iron, some hangers. The only other thing about this room, y'all, we don't have any storage at all to like store stuff like clothes or put anything. So all our bags are just sitting up here on the floors and that kind of thing, which is fine. But like I said, I didn't realize that when we had booked this room, but it's okay. It's not going to kill us because we're going on a cruise in a few days, so it really don't matter no way. So this is the TV, and it's a nice size TV. I don't know what size it is. I don't know. But it does have Netflix, YouTube, all that kind of stuff. This is actually Hallmark. It has like 5 HBO channels. It has all types of stuff on there. So, the trash can over there, the air is digital. It's on the wall, though. I'll show you back over there. But this is the window, and I had to figure out how to use this window yesterday, or these blinds rather, because you have to pull these little strings. Uh-oh. As soon as I figure out how to do it, there we go. Okay. Pull the strings to get the window up. I don't even know what view we got, y'all. When we got her yesterday, it was like I said, it was evening, so, or getting to be evening. Oh, we have tree. Oh, okay. Well, we don't have anything. I heard just you can still see outside, but it's actually, I guess, like the walkway. That's why we kept hearing people. I'm like, why we keep hearing folks? So now we know. That's why we kept hearing folks too. We're right at the walkway. We didn't realize that, but that's okay. We'll keep our well, we can raise it back up a little bit. Oh no, I forgot he's in the shower, so I'll raise it back down. We'll raise it back up later on. I'm gonna get some light up in here, some natural light, cause y'all love natural light. I don't care about the fake lights and all that kind of stuff. But this little this lamp, like I said, we have ample plugs in this room. The lamp you can have the light up high or have it down low or off. There's plugs in here, as you can see. There's another little lamp up here by the bed, and it's a soft headboard too, just to let y'all know. We have 4 pillows, one real long pillow and one shorter pillow, just to let y'all know as well. And this desk up here, like I said, it has all of our stuff on it right now. So let me see if I can find the light. Oh, here's the light. Okay, the light up here. Like I said, it has all of our stuff on it, but it does have a desk and chair. Like I said, y'all, we ain't afraid to show y'all the room we're living in. I put it that way, so that is fine. I didn't do the room tour when we first came in, so that's okay as well. There's more plugs over here, as y'all can see, USB and the regular plug. There's one on the other side of the TV too. There's one over here too, y'all, or a few of them over there. And here's the digital, like I said, the room temp, or the digital, whatever it's called, thermometer for the room. And this is on my side. This is a, what's it called? A little desk or side table, and I got my little coloring books, my little stuff down there too. The phones up here and that kind of thing as well. And this is our welcome guest thing, our welcome guest paper. I got my little green blanket because I'll be cold sometimes, so I gotta have my little blanket, y'all. And the remote, of course, regular remote for the TV. And like I said, y'all, that is our room. Like I said, it's not like it's 1,000 things in here, that kind of thing at all. But like I said, it's definitely good enough for us. And we love this hotel so far, y'all. Oh, I didn't even show y'all this bench up here. It's a bench where our bags are sitting right up under that. So we can put our luggage bag. We could put them up under there, but I'm not going to worry about it. It's going to just stay in the hallway. I put it that way. But like I said, this room, the bed was very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. And I'll have to show y'all the bathroom once the condensation go down and once Adrian gets out of the shower a little bit later. I will give y'all a tour for the bathroom too. So don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. So y'all, I'm about to sit up here and relax because we're going to have to figure out something to do today. And like I said, I cannot wait to take y'all along with us. So stay tuned, y'all. I'm excited. And he told me something about these what are they called? Fan boats or something. Y'all, I have seen those boats on TV that go through like the marsh. What is it called? Lord, the marsh. I don't know. But he said there's a fan boat tour that I guess, will be going on tomorrow. So I cannot wait, y'all. So definitely, I'm going to take y'all along with that too. I may have to, I don't know about the camera part, because he said we may get wet and stuff and muddy. So we'll see about that. But I will definitely take y'all along, y'all. I don't know what we're going to get into, but we're going to figure this out for the rest of this video.